All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is Jacob.
Welding it together.
And Jacob is about to attempt to weld his first two pieces of steel ever together at 8 years old. All right? Hold on, it's hot. Hold on, don't do it. Stop. Not bad, not bad. Good line, good line. It's pretty thick steel, so maybe you want to run another bead down the same place you just did, okay?
Okay.
Well, hold on. All right, go ahead. Okay, listen. Give it 2 hands on your gun. Oh my goodness, look at that. Let's see if Jacob's first. Don't pull the trigger yet, Daddy took his helmet off.
Sorry.
It's alright, don't do it. Stay back. Yeah. So, let's see if your first welds will hold those 3 pieces of steel together. Ready?
Yep.
You think it's going to do it?
Yep.
Look at here, ladies and gentlemen. Jacob welded his first time ever. What do you think about that?
Good.
Nice job.
Can I weld one more piece to it?
Sure, I guess. Why not? Remember how I showed you to lay the torch on the table?
Yep. Oh!
Oh, see? That's why you gotta be very careful.
So that was smoke.
Yeah. Well, it's very smoky because we're using flux core. We're not using the shielding gas right now. Here, go with the small piece over here. Right there.
This one?
Yeah, that's fine.
I'm gonna weld this on top of that.
This is just for practice. Normally what you gotta do is you gotta take a wire brush and you gotta get all that stuff out of there. Okay, now before you start welding, always ask, does everyone have their helmets on?
Yep.
Alright, go ahead. Nice spot weld. Nice. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Nice spot weld. Very nice.
See if it'll hold.
Let's see if it holds. Hold on. All right, keep the trigger. Wow, that's a nice spot weld. Oh, careful, that's gonna be hot. It held. Nice.
That's why you always have to do it in the corners, because that way it'll hold together.
Exactly. You weld it together.
Very heavy metal.
Yep, it's very heavy metal.
So watch this.
Hold on, what are you welding now?
You have one more piece together.
Okay, just be careful of the trigger, remember? There you go.
Can I show Madeline?
You want to show Madeline how you weld?
Yeah, but make sure she covers her eyes.
Yeah, go ahead and get another piece of steel.
Okay. What should I use?
I don't think, you know what? I think I'm out of small pieces.
Oh, dang.
We'll have to cut some tomorrow. That's alright. Come on over here. Just put your helmet up for now.
There we go.
You take it off for now?
Can I still
Alright.
show Mom?
No. Alright. Hey, listen. Well, hold on. It's pretty hot. We can't carry it in the house yet. We'll let Mama come out and look at it.
Oh, okay.
Hey. Good job. First time welding.
Thanks.
8 years old.